Hello everyone, welcome to Florida Farming in the Philippines. Marcel and I have been busy most all of the day in town. Oh, it smokes in my eye. So we haven't really been privy to what's going on here. That's a pile of gates, Tatai. Yeah. So, looks like they've been removing the gates out of the pins. You know what, Tatai? Now that I'm thinking about it, leave the rest of the gates. Don't remove them.
Yeah, the gate I will remove first. The one that is destroyed.
Those are just the ones that were destroyed? Because I'm thinking, easy to keep the dogs out if we got a gate. Yeah. I don't know, Red. What is that? So anyway, the last little bit of work that needed to be done on this old piggery has been done. All the stalls, I guess you could say, have been cleaned out of the brush. The last little bit of tin has been removed. They've been cleaned up good enough to where if at some point in the future we wanted to utilize them for planting or something like that, we can. Or if we just wanted to shovel all this out and do something different, we can do that also. But at least the majority of the debris is out of them. Right, Nerio? Right. I forget which pins Gina wanted to use. Marcel and I were in town all day, but I forgot two of the things that I wanted to do. I wanted to go by the vet and ask some questions, and I wanted to get some corn seed and to try to find some seed potatoes, and forgot both of those errands. All the rest of them we got done, but those two I forgot. I think it was these two pins here that Gina wanted to try and experiment in. She was the one who I've been asking everybody their vote, their opinion, and it was kind of split. So Gina was the deciding vote. So we'll try to grow some stuff in these just to see. We're going to add some soil, but we're going to see if we can grow something in them. I wanted to get some. We have onion seed. I had some corn seed somewhere, but I don't think it made it through the typhoon. I want to get a little bit of corn seed, some we have the onion seed, and I want to get some seed potatoes.
Would be good for the garden, this one, grass growing. Very...
Could be. I mean, it's hard to say, Tatai. I'm sure it'd be good for the garden. I do know that it's really low in nitrogen. I know that without even testing it. So we need to add fertilizer the first few times.
First though, with additional soil.
Yeah, like maybe, I don't know, this much.
Yeah.
Just enough to mix in good. And I'll get the seeds tomorrow. And I had some fertilizer laying around. I don't know if it made it through without getting saturated or not. We'll try. So that's going to be tomorrow's project. What can you say, Tate? Nice. Well, we're going to try. What do you want to plant, Tate? Any kind? What's your favorite? Eggplant? Eggplant and tomatoes? Alright, well we'll try eggplant and tomatoes as well. Cabbage, I don't know. Maybe in these it would work. Cabbage is hard to grow here, Tatai, because it's so dang hot.
We make a seed.
Make a shade? We'll try. We'll try several different things. If we don't have enough room in these two pits, then we'll utilize another couple and go from there. I hadn't even thought of eggplant. And hadn't really thought of tomatoes either. But we'll try. So tomatoes, eggplant, corn, onions, and potatoes. I don't know. I'm sure Marcel will come up with something else to test in these as well. And maybe Gina, I don't know. Gina's not feeling well today, so I'm not going to go bug her right at the moment.
One I will back this morning.
Say, the chainsaw man came by today?
Maybe if the today if he finish his job,
He'll come here?
Yeah.
Is that the man with his wife? His wife is his partner? Or that's a different one?
No.
Okay.
Different. In Santo Niño.
Oh, all right.
I remember before the gentleman in the Cocolum there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That guy?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, I hope so. Because we talked to the guy that worked over here.
Yeah.
I think it's his wife or maybe a sister that's his partner. They were riding out, and we asked him if he could come by, and he said maybe not this week, but maybe next week. He said he had a lot of customers also. So
even they have two gentlemen in the outside.
yeah.
He said in the next month, maybe February.
Next month. Oh, God. Yeah, those guys. I mean, I hear them. I hear 3 or 4 running constantly all day long. Because everybody's place looked pretty much like ours, and you know, everybody is probably at the point where we're at now. The only thing you can do now is chainsaw work.
He promised in last Wednesday, but he cannot finish.
Can't finish his job? Yeah, okay.
Almost 2 houses need to.
2 properties he needs to do?
This house, 2 houses.
Well, sometime this week, Tatai, Marcel and I are going to go to Tagbilaran, and I'll take the chainsaw and the cover, that part, and I don't know. We'll see if we can get it fixed. I don't have high hopes, but maybe we can get that part. Just get the whole thing, the whole mechanism.
Yeah.
And then at least we'll have our own little chainsaw. We can't make lumber. I don't think either one of us is good enough with a chainsaw to make lumber, but we can cut down these trees and get well started on the firewood side of it. So
Chucky.
Chucky's upset. What's wrong, Chucky? All right, well, that's today's progress. I would like to, I don't know, what's your plan for tomorrow, Tatai?
Maybe that bamboo we clear.
Clear out the bamboo?
Yeah.
All right.
No one place in there.
All right. So maybe we could get like, I don't know, 10 wheelbarrows in each one of those pits of dirt, of soil?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah, and clear out the banana or the bamboo. And I don't know what else. I don't know what else we can do, Tatai, without a chainsaw. What do you think?
If the gentleman is here.
A lot to do, but if no chainsaw, what are we gonna? What would you like to do next if no chainsaw?
We can perfect one
And then we'll think about it.
in the top.
All right. Because look, well, I've got to wait till YouTube payday to start on the roof, because that's going to be an expensive endeavor. So we have this week. We have a whole week here, and in my dream list, Tatai, my dream would be to finish the nets in those ponds, and finish what we have to do here in the piggery, finish that bamboo, and finish those nets, and then we can see where we're at. That's what I'd like to do. If you want, I don't know. That's not that much to do, Tatai. It's up to you. If you want to bring another guy in, that's fine. But the cleanup is pretty much done. If you want to bring Gabriel to help with the net, because he's experienced at it, yeah, that's fine.
Gabriel is busy.
Gabriel's busy?
Yeah.
he's busy fishing for the milkfish that escaped from the
Yeah.
fish pen. I tell you, Gabriel and all the fishermen around him, because the typhoon wiped out all those pens that were out there. So there were millions and millions of milkfish that were basically just released into the ocean because it destroyed all the pens. And Gabriel, there were so many of them, I think he said they were getting 40 pesos per kilo for them. It was just, you know, I don't know, they were really cheap. And I guess he's still busy catching them, him and his buddies, so I don't know. But we'll find something, definitely find something to keep busy, and we'll keep you guys apprised. Thank you, everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.